the basic question you're asking is what happens to software engineering, right? Let's take the following thought experiment, right? If you said some Martian intelligence came in the 1980s and watched how we all worked, they'd say, oh, wow, these humans kind of work in the offices and they have a typist pool, they have a slide pool, and people then work with paper. And then if they came back today, they'll say, God, man, all 8 billion people are typists now. All of us are going to be creating software, but there is going to be a job called a software engineer. It's going to be different. But I look at it, you are really taking a software engineer and saying you're now a software architect. One of my biggest things is, man, the vibe coding is fantastic until it does stuff that I don't know what the heck happened. So that means I have to have the meta model of my repo and exactly what happened. And I'm looking at the change logs, right? So my favorite feature of GitHub now is to really look at the complete change logs of all the agents that are working on my repo. And I think that is where a lot of the software engineering will be, like a good dev manager, right? Which dev manager you worked at Microsoft, but a dev manager's job was to make sure build don't break. And so to me, that is still a thing. And so there will be a level of abstraction uplift, even in a world of all of AI agents. Because one thing that we don't talk about is the legal liability, by the way, until some real laws change, are going to be with humans and institutions humans build. And as long as that is true, we're going to have to really make sure the human is in the loop.